passionate about leadership because it brings students together and you're able to set a good example and collaborate with other students.
Yeah. Kind of going off that, I love that as leaders, we're able to do things for the student body at our school, different events, spirit days, to really just build like that spirit and bring people together.
I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I'll still keep the party running, I won't get out of place. Lately,
something I took back from this conference was definitely just how amazing and how strong the CADA CASL network is between all the student leaders here. It's when you immediately enter a room and energy just like hits you in the face. Everyone's smiling, everyone's participating in the answers. We're all sharing ideas with each other, and you just really feel a family and a community here. And it's just really amazing to be able to exchange ideas that way.
Memories you create. That kid Donna was dancing up here. I'm dancing with her. We doing all our stuff. I ain't gonna forget that. You gonna leave this conference, you ain't gonna forget the dancing. You gonna leave this conference, you ain't gonna forget the Simon Says. Why? We're creating memories. ASB, this is what we're all about. I would love for you guys to go back to school and say, what is our why? Why does ASB exist? Why do we exist? I remember when I was in ASB, the reason why we existed is to help everybody at the school create memories. Can I give you a little sidebar from the 3 things that are permanent? Every student at our school needs something to do that is positive, something to do so they can have something to hope for, so they can have something to love.
The aspects that I took from CADA was that if you keep on digging a little bit deeper, you will always find your gold. And being passionate and having energy is the only way that you can find your true gold and true happiness.
So excited to be here at the Area E Student Conference. And one of the things I really want all the students here to get out of it is to be able to bring back something of excitement to their schools. I was in ASB when I was in high school, and I want students to have fun. I want students to have spirit, to have fun, to enjoy themselves in school, because you have to be adulting soon. And so this is one of those chances. So hopefully at the end of the day, kids are excited to go back to their schools and share everything they learned from the student conference.
I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. No doubt about it. It's understood. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. All eyes upon me, just like they should. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good.
The biggest thing I would tell you today, most advice that I can give you, is let's not start with how to do things, how to be ignited, to be a leader. Let's start with why. Why is it so important to have great energy? Why is it so important to have enthusiasm, to have the courage to do the things you need to do? And the biggest why is people don't follow what you say, they follow what you do. And if we are doing it, they will follow that. We all need to be a blueprint of what people can become. And today at this amazing conference, we're going to create that. History is being read, but it's also being written. And today, you start to write your history.
I'll make it look easy. It all starts now. It begins now. It all starts now.